Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa bagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. So today, yung pag-uusapan natin, konting channel update, life update, and then my goals for this year. So medyo matagal na nung last time akong nag-open ng camera, no? So yeah, hello sa inyo. And let's get started. And then, bago pala tayo magsimula, isang paalala lang, itong mga sasabihin ko dito sa video na ito is hindi financial advice. And wala naman ako masyadong kumbaga parang isi-shill sa inyo na parang investment opportunity. But yeah, this content should not be deemed as financial advice. Always do your own research before doing anything. And before buying any kind of asset, para syempre safe din kayo and para naiintindihan nyo yung mga binibili nyo. And ayun, syempre smash yung like button para makatulong sa YouTube algorithm. Right, so let's get started. So channel update. I've been slacking off sa content for the fourth quarter of 2021 and I do apologize for that. And ngayong 2022, I'll be more consistent with the uploads. Kasi previously, originally talaga, nag-upload ako. I think nung nag-start ako ng channel ko back in 2019. I was uploading every Tuesday and Thursday. And then medyo wonky yung schedule na yun. So binago ko, I believe, naging Tuesday and Friday. And then nagkaroon ako ng maraming content ideas. Ginawa ko Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then eventually, binawasan ko ulit kasi medyo mahirap nang mag-isip, mahirap mag-upload, mahirap mag-edit. So, ginawa ko Monday and Friday lang. And then eventually, parang minsan may isang week na 5 times a week ako nag-upload. But yeah, nung fourth quarter ng 2021, medyo nag-slack off tayo. And may bago kaming series or podcast na kasama ko yung kapatid ko, which is called Into the Metaverse. Yung mga pag-uusapan dun sa podcast na yon or sa series na yon are all about crypto and why we started investing in crypto, what's currently happening in the space. And syempre, in general, dito sa YouTube channel, mag-update pa rin tayo sa cryptoverse and sa stock market, Philippine stock market and US stock market. If meron akong mga binibiling stocks dun sa stock market na yun, and any other investment opportunities or any other investment asset classes. So that's gonna be it for the channel update. So pakita ko nga pala sa inyo. Ito hirap pa nag-iisa lang. Hindi ko na-cue agad yung mga gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. Ito yung Into the Metaverse. Dapat lalabas to nung minention ko yung bago namin series. So medyo, kita nyo naman, medyo rusty yung pag-create ko ng content. But anyway, move on na tayo sa life update. So, I think, let me check my budget. Budget nung 2021. So medyo nag-splurge tayo ng konti, from October up until now. So grabe yung in-increase ng expenses ko. Pinakamatipid ako last year back in May. Halos rent lang binabayaran ko. Hindi mo kumakain ito, but I think nag-stock up ako ng maraming pagkain at that time. And then June, medyo tumaas ng konti. Halos sa doble expenses ko. And then July, sobrang nakatipid ulit ako. Parang rent lang din plus 6K lang yung ginastos ko that month. Which is pretty weird, but yeah. Yung pag-surge talaga ng expenses ko, from October up until now, hindi ko masyado na-control, Bumili ako ng phone and kung ano-anong stupid bullshit instead of investing. Dahil medyo tumaas na rin yung income natin from Axie and other crypto investments and ibang stocks na nag-take profit ako. Ayun, hindi masyado na-control yung spending habits. And now, I'm correcting it. Mahirap talaga mag-adjust and to just maintain your current lifestyle pag bigla nagkaroon ng surge yung pasok ng income. And yeah, that's based on my experience. Akala ko dati hindi magbabago, but ayun, na-experience ko in the last 3 to 4 months. But of course, we have to stay disciplined and make corrections along the way. So parang asset markets lang yan, nagbo-bull run and nagpa-parabolic run, no? In this case, yung expenses ko yung nag-parabolic run. And then, syempre, kailangan magkaroon ng correction kasi yung correction na yun is very healthy. And then, last but not the least is goals for 2022. So, alam ko naman, and ito, sa experience ko lang din, medyo may hangover pa tayo sa 2021. So, parang ang bilis lang nangyari noong 2021. And like, ang dami nangyari, like, nung holidays and all that, nagbakasyon, may hangover. Ako, personally, may hangover pa ako sa vacation. Parang, well, yung utak ko, yung headspace ko, wala pa sa tamang, timpla, no? Na hindi pa ako makapagtrabaho ng isang diretso for one whole shift. Like, I'm very lucky na yung schedule ko is flexible. So, I can like work in the morning, like, talagang ang aga kong gumising like the past few weeks. Nagising ako, nung una natutulog ako tanghali na. So medyo weird yung aking sleep schedule. So natutulog ako around 12 p.m. or like 1 p.m. Nagigising ako at around 10 p.m., 11 p.m. something. And then like na-push and then like sa madaling araw, I have nothing to do. So, I just work. So, clocking ako around, I don't know, mga 2 or 3 a.m. Sometimes, kahit 1 a.m. pa lang, wala na talaga akong, like, gagawin. Like, nakapag-workout na ako, nakakain na ako, nakaligo na ako. Like, wala akong ibang gagawin. So, I just work. And then yun, clocking ako mga 4 hours and natapos ko na yung ibang mga trabaho. And then, like, wala na akong gagawin. So, minsan, idlip ako or like, nod ng series and all that. And kung ano-ano man, research konti. Nod ng content ng ibang para mas matuto pa ako like sa cryptoverse, sa mga stocks and all that, kung ano yung mga moves, kung ano yung mga latest news. And yun, then after that, like, tatrabaho ulit ako. Like, for example, may meeting, kasi usually meetings, like, nasa-schedule yan between 5 a.m. PHT, Philippine time, until like 12-ish p.m. So yun. Yung first one natin na goal, well, ako personally na din, and syempre para sa channel, is to upload 2-3 videos every single week dito sa YouTube. And I post content daily din naman sa TikTok. So, I want to continue that grind as well. And in general kasi, mas madali mag-create ng content sa TikTok kasi short form lang doon. And yung phone lang din yung need kong gamitin to like record everything and make some edits. And syempre, I want to continue investing in crypto projects that I believe in and I think will stand the test of time. So, ako, personally, boring yung strategy ko. Magdi-DCA lang ako or dollar cost averaging or peso cost averaging. Depende sa currency na ginagamit natin. Pero syempre sa atin, it's peso cost averaging. And then I'm aiming to invest money again in the stock market. I think maraming magandang mga dividend stocks sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Yes, yung iba dyan, like, medyo mataas na talaga yung prices nila compared sa prices early 2021 and nung 2020. But I think pagka mag-peso cost average ka lang, it doesn't really matter. And solid pa rin yung gains and solid yung makukuha mong dividends every single year. Then lastly, currently I'm eating healthier to start off the year. So I'm on track, I guess. And then I'm working out again to keep, of course, my body in shape. And parang yun yung hinahanap ko, no? Or like parang yung naging solution ko para makabalik ako dun sa parang flow and sa groove, no? Nung pag-grind ulit, like sa TikTok. Kasi sa TikTok, tumigil din ako. YouTube content, tumigil ako. And like, nakapag-focus lang ako parang sa isang bagay, which is, naman, crypto and Axie and all that. Ngayon, kailangan natin mag-adjust and kailangan nating mag-juggle, no? So, dapat mabalance natin lahat. Hindi pwedeng isang bagay lang yung ginagawa natin. That's pretty much it for this episode, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo, and if umabot kayo at the end of this episode, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Help me grow the channel by smashing the like button. Sobrang nakatulong yun sa algorithm ng YouTube. And if bago ka naman sa channel ko, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala akong miss out sa mga uploads ko every single week. Follow me on my social media platforms as well. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at MNPSPH. If you want to become a part of the Peso Smart PH community, you can do so by clicking the link down in the description below. Merong details yan about the YouTube membership. Thanks again for watching and listening, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso Smart.